So we did this on live last night. Again, I use a Micron 01, any paper, any pen, any blending tool, any pencil is what you can use. I'm using a Micron 01, a pencil, and a tortillon, and this is just regular multimedia paper. I always start with gratitude, grateful for the pen, the paper, find things that I'm grateful for. Take an inhale, be grateful for those things, and on the exhale, get rid of the junk that you don't need. Take this time out for you, self-care, taking care of you time. Now I take the pencil and I place 4 dots in each corner of the paper and connect them with the border, and then I ink this border with pen. Now throughout the whole time you're doing this tangle, be sure to breathe, don't hold your breath, light with the pen, light with the pressure of the pen, and you know, when I go ahead and put a dot in the center, and then I go ahead and branch out this little dot orb. You can wave the lines, you can make them straight, you can do whatever you want. This is yours, it's completely up to you. Do whatever you feel guided to do. And do this all the way around. And what's really important is that you breathe and are light with the pen. The harder that you push with the pen or the harder you grip the pen, you're gonna find that the pen is gonna get stuck to the paper. And the whole point of these tangles for me is the journey to the end of the tangle, and the tangle is just a bonus. So this for me is my meditation, it's my anxiety relief, I just love it. So when you start, and I'm going to show you up close slowly, you're going to take the U part of the tangle Scena. And so I'm going to do a little U in the corner, and then I'm going to keep the pen on the paper, and I'm just going to keep going back and forth with this U shape from Scena. So it's essentially kind of creating the tangle of Scena, but you're doing it from this beginning like U shape of Scena, and then essentially oaring it back and forth. Now you can go forward and backward. In order to get the look that comes from the end of this tangle, you're going to want to make sure that you go from the edge to the edge of the section you're working in. And then once you get into this really amazing flow, you can take the pen from one side to the other. You can keep it on the paper and go back and forth. Whatever feels good to you. Whatever is what I would call like a flow state, which means you get to the point where it's almost like meditation and your mind can't think of anything else. And you just keep doing this amazing tangle. So now I speed it up. Now, a perfect example of what tangling does for me, and I'm not a doctor, I can't say that that this will cure anything or anything like that. But while I was doing this tangle today and creating the video, my daughter began having a panic attack. And she has all of these normal things that she does, but I actually got a piece of paper out and I drew these lines for her and had her start tangling. And it brought her panic attack down in about 20 minutes. And I was amazed because she's never been into tangling, never wanted to tangle, but when you're having a panic attack, you'll try anything. And this worked. So I'm not saying it will help everyone. Now for shading, I take it down each of the lines through where they connect. And then I go ahead and re-ink that line too. It's hard to see now because graphite's shiny, but I do show the paper at the end. And so this is what comes of it. So get comfortable, get some tea, some coffee, whatever you like to drink. Make this about you time, play some nice music, and tangle on. Have a great day, everyone.